Hello, good evening, everyone. Yeah, good evening. So, guys, just give me 1 minute time. So, those who are watching after uploading the video, you can skip to 1 minute so that I can share the link with everybody. Just give me 1 minute. Done. Last share. Great. So, guys, again, welcome to. So, guys, again, welcome to RamSai IAS, the Surpass CSAT 2022 program. And everybody knows that RamSai is conducting these live sessions for helping students who are going to write for the candidates who are going to attempt CSAT for this 2022 on June 5th. So till now, from last 10 days, we have been covering many topics which has more weightage in CSAT. And today also we are going to learn very important topic and one of the most important topics from quantitative aptitude, that is time and work. And here the beauty is, if you can search in YouTube for time and work, you will get the best videos. You can get the best videos from Sriram only. So you can get the best videos from our channel only. That's the reason you can hear the live sessions here. Okay, you can listen to the live sessions here. So even in YouTube also you'll get our videos only in the top. So on time and work I'm particularly talking about, and today also I'm going to give you very simple logics and very simple procedure to solve any time and work problem. Okay, so before going to explain you the concept, just let me share my screen. Just give me 1 minute, I'm just sharing the screen. Yeah, you see, what is time and work and what type of questions we will get, how many models we have. So let me explain you that first, so that you will understand, you will have a clear picture how we should learn this concept, right? So initially, how many types of questions we will get, how many models we have generally. Guys, see, initially we have a model like when two individual persons, the number of days is given, we need to find out single person's number of work, number of days. Like for example, there are two people, A and B. A can finish a work in maybe 10 days, B can finish the same work in 20 days. If they work together, in how many days they can finish the work? The same question, the same model, they can be asked like A alone can finish a job in 20 days, but with the help of B, he finished in 10 days. Okay, initially A, imagine, wait, let me give you the same example again. Okay, initially A alone can finish a work in 10 days, but with the help of B, he finished the work in 7 days itself. So what if B works alone? How many days it will take? So this is one kind of question you can expect. And the other kind is based on their efficiencies, and extension of this is we have to distribute amount to them, distribute wages for them. So let me give you another example. So A and B, two people are there. A is 70% more efficient than B. So if X can do, sorry, if B can do X work, A can do 1.7 of X. Okay, so if this is their capacities or efficiencies, and if B can finish a work in 10 days, A can finish in how many days? So you have to calculate based on this. And if the two people, we have 3,000 rupees as their wages for two people together, how much should be B's wage? How much should be A's age? How much share A should get? How much share B should get? So these kind of questions generally we get from the basics of time and work. And extension, the next model will be like, if A can, sorry, not A, wait, I'll change the color. Yeah, if 10 people can do a work in 20 days, 7 people can do in how many days? This is one kind of question, and here we should do direct multiplication but not cross multiplication. That is okay, we will explain it later. But if you go a bit forward, questions will be like, A can do a work in 10 days, B can do the same work in 20 days. But the work A alone started, he worked for 4 days, and after 4 days, B joined. B joined A. Then how many days they will finish the work? So now it will not be 10 days or 7 no, maybe 7 days, I'm not sure. It will not be 10 days. A alone can finish in 10 days, but with the help of B, but not from the beginning. After 4 days, B joined. So in how many days they can finish the work? This kind of questions you can find generally. Hope you got my point, right? So these are the most commonly asked questions from time and work. And similarly, we will have extension of time and work, that is pipes and cisterns. Pipes and cisterns, CISTERN, like overhead tanks. There we have almost time and work concept only, but there will be a minute difference. We will see all these concepts today. Okay, so now before going to explain you the concept, I just want to give you one question here. Can you try it on your own? Let me check if I have it in my PPT. Just let me check for 1 minute. Today I could not paste all the questions, so we will solve individual questions. Okay, in this question I'll do one thing. Just let me paste on a screen. Yeah, okay. Sorry here. Now you have to try this question on your own. Okay, this particular question on your own. Okay, A does a work in 10 days, B does the same work in 12 days. If A and B work together, in how many days they can finish the work? This is the question. Can you try it on your own? Can you try this question on your own? A does the work in 10 days, B does the work in 12 days. If they work together, in how many days they can finish it? If they work together, in how many days they can finish it? So can you try it? Take 1 minute and try it on your own, and then I'll explain you the simplest method to solve it. Twenty seconds more. Done. Okay, time up. Now, okay, wait. Can you please post it in the chat box, in the comment box, in the live chat? Can you people post your answer in the chat box? It's a request from my side. Can you please post your answer in the chat box? Done. Very good. Most of the people, you know what they do. A do in 10 days, B in 12 days. So together, A plus B, 10 plus 12, 22. Chalo, 22. This is option A. Few people, you know what they do. Hello, 22 is okay, but here two people are working. So two people's average 22 by 2 is 11. Option B. Option C is, see, I have some common sense here. A alone can finish the work in 10 days. How can, with the help of B, both are working together, na? How can it be more than 10? Impossible, na? So I'll go with the 10. Okay, option D will be something else. I don't know what is the correct answer, but these three are wrong. If your answer is 22, you are wrong. If your answer is 11, you are wrong. If your answer is 10, you are wrong. Now the actual work, just use common sense. If A alone can finish the work in 10 days with the help of B, how can he take more than 10 days? So answer must be less than 10 year. Remember, answer must be less than 10. That is common sense. Okay, here, how to solve these questions? I am going to explain you really simple and interesting solution. Remember, always you should remember this diagram. Okay, so write whatever the people we have here, A and B. Okay, and again A and B together. Right, this is together case. Here, while we are solving time and work problems, remember two things are very important. The first thing is the number of days they are working, and their per day work. Per day work, or we call it as efficiency, or we call it as capacity. These two are very important. And besides these two, there is one more important thing, that is the total work. Total work, guys, I'll tell you, total work can be anything. And what is the work here? A can do a work in 10 days, but what is that work? The work can be constructing a wall, or writing a notebook, or writing your records, or watching a movie, or eating laddus, eating dosa. It can be anything. Work is a work, that's it. Okay, so the work, what is the work? So in all my questions, I consider eating laddu, because I love laddu. That's the reason. Eating laddu is the work, and total work is nothing but number of laddus. How many laddus we have, that is the total work. This is what I consider throughout the topic, throughout the day. So wherever I need to use the total work, I use these many number of laddus, I feel. Okay, so just imagine, in this particular case, I'll change color. In this particular question, A can finish a work in 10 days, B can finish the same work in 12 days. So how many days they will take to finish the work if they work together is the question, right? So now just I'll imagine there are total 60 laddus here. There are total 60 laddus. Okay, you may ask me, in the question, it was not mentioned that there are 60 laddus. Total work is 60. Then why you consider 60? See, some number I am considering. Whatever the number I consider, it's okay. I'll get the same answer without a doubt. Okay, a work is there, and the work can be anything. I consider it as eating laddus. What is the total work? It can be anything. I consider it as number of laddus. So what is that? How many number of laddus are there? I don't know. It was not mentioned in the question. That's the reason I am taking my own number, 60. Why 60? Randomly I'm considering, that's it. So now 60 laddus are there. A alone can finish 60 laddus in 60 days. Sorry, in 10 days. Means per day, how many laddus he is eating? 6 laddus, that is his capacity. And B alone, he can finish 60 laddus in 12 days itself. Sorry, not 12 days itself, in 12 days. So if he is eating 5 laddus, then only he can finish 60 laddus in 12 days. Yes or no? 12 5s are 60. So from this I can conclude that A's capacity is 6 laddus per day, B's capacity is 5 laddus per day. Hope you are following me. Imagine there were 60 laddus and A can finish all the 60 laddus in 10 days, B can finish all the laddus in 12 days. So how many laddus A can finish per day? What is his capacity? What is his efficiency? 60 by 10. Per day he can finish 666 laddus. That is the reason he is taking 10 days to finish 60 laddus. Similarly, B 5 days. Now they are working together. Now, so what is the work? Eating laddus. How many laddus A is eating? 6 laddus. How many laddus B is eating? He is eating 5 laddus. So together, in how many laddus they are eating? Together they are eating 5 by 6, 11 laddus. Okay. So eating 11, 11, 11, 11 laddus, the total work is 60 laddus. In how many days they can finish? 60 by 11 days. So 60 by 11 is the answer. So 60 by 11, 5, 5 by 11 days is the answer. So here few people, they commented their answers are like 5.5 days. 5.5 days is okay. That is a nearer answer. But whatever the answer I gave now, that is exact one. 5 by 11 days. Hope it's clear for you. And now I have two questions here. And yes, 11 by 5. Is it right answer? No, yeah. Shweta, that is their capacity. Okay, 60 by 11 is correct answer. Okay, for your information, I'm just telling you 11 by 60 will be very smaller number. Wait, let me try with calculator. 11 by 60, this is 0.18 days. Arey yaar, how can it be possible, ma? Just look at the two numbers 10 and 12. See, for example, just imagine B also can finish the same work in 10 days. Imagine. So A is taking 10, B is taking 10 days. So if they work together, they can finish in 5 days. As 10 and 10 both are same numbers, it should be half. Yes or no? So the work is just doing it double. So in 5 days, they have to finish. But B is taking more than 10 days, means B's efficiency is very less than A. So in that case, how can it be less than 1 day, 0.18 days? No, you did a small mistake. It should be 60 by 11, but not 11 by 60. Okay, but this is very interesting and easy method. And trust me, without changing this diagram, I can solve any problem in time and work. And yes, the biggest question you have in your mind, why the number 60? It was not given in the question, but why did you consider 60? Yeah, just to make it the calculation simple, I considered 60, and that 60 is LCM of 10 and 12. That's it. Yeah, to make simple calculations, I consider 60. Okay, if you want, you can cross check. I'll go with red color or pink. I'll go. Just see, instead of 60, I'll consider 120. This also gives you simple calculations. Okay, for you, I'll consider it as only one work, one laddu. So A can finish in 1 by 10 days. This is 0.1, and B 1 by 12. So what is 1 by 12 value? I don't know. Okay, I'll do one thing, 1 by 10 only. I'll erase it, plus 1 by 12. This is how generally you people do. What is LCM of 12 and 10? This is 60. So 66 plus 11, sorry, plus 5. So 11 by 60, and reverse of it, 1 by 11 by 60 will be 60 by 11. The same answer you are getting now. But see how difficult these calculations and how simple these calculations are. 60 by 10, 6. 60 by 12, 5. 5 plus 11, 5 plus 6 is 11. 60 by 11 is the answer. So just to make calculations simple, I consider their LCM. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Now the extension of this is what? In the PPT, you can find one question. Now they together undertook this work and got 5,000 rupees on its compensation. What is B's share? So okay, we will go back to the question. See, from this, I'll highlight one point. A can finish 6 laddus, B can finish 5 laddus. So together, how many laddus they are eating per day? Together they are, yeah, together they are eating 11 laddus, and for 11 laddus they are charging 3,000 or 5,000. 5,000. Together they are charging 5,000 rupees, and we need to find out what is B's share. And out of 5,000, out of 11 laddus, B is eating only 5 laddus now. So for 5 laddus, how much they have to pay? For eating 11 laddus, they are paying 5,000. To eat 5 laddus, how much they have to pay? Just do calculation, cross multiplication. 25,000 by 11, around this much. So we don't have exact answer here, but we can go with the around answer, 2,500 or 2,000. Yeah, 2,000. We can go with 2,500 because it is more than 2,250, no? So we can go with 2,500. Okay, hope you got my answer. It's very simple. The share should be based on their efficiency. Efficiency is nothing but per day work now. So we have to go with how much work they are doing. That's it, yeah. Now it's very clear for you. And here we don't have exact value, but you can calculate how much it will be. 25,000. Generally 511 into 5,000. 511 into 5,000, how much it will be? 5 5s are 25 only. 25,000 by 11. I just used my calculator. 272272. Yeah, this much. This is the actual answer. Okay, hope you got this. Chalo, shall we solve the next one? If you solve 2 3 problems, then you will understand. A does a work in 10 days, B in 15 days, and C in 12 days. Find the ratio in which they need to share the wages of the work they do together. So 10 15 12. Here we have 3 people. 10 15 12. 10 15 12. 10 15 12. Sorry, 10 10 15 12. So here 3 people we have, and here it should be number of days always. And the efficiencies, what is LCM of 10 15 12? 60 again. So I'll just imagine the total number of laddus are 60. So A can finish how many laddus per day? 6 laddus. 6 by 10, 6 by 10, 60. B can finish 60 by 15, 4 laddus per day. C can finish 60 by 12, 5 laddus per day. So we have to divide the amount based on their efficiency, based on their per day work. So we have to distribute the share in 6 is to 4 is to 5 ratio. It's very simple here. The same question what we did previously, the same here we are doing. So answer must be 6 is to 4 is to 5. There is some wrong answers actually we are having. I don't know. There is something missing. Options we are missing. Maybe they copied somewhere, but it should be 6 is to 4 is to 5. 6 is to 4 is to 5. Yeah. 6 is to 4 is to 5 should be the answer. Here in options, we don't have it, but it should be actual answer. No, here we are missing. See, somewhere when we are copying from one file to another file, it happens generally. So take it light. 6 is to 5, 4 is to 5 should be the actual answer. Okay. So can you do it on your own? Can you please do it on your own? Make it fast. Take 1 minute and make it fast. Please keep your answer in the chat box. I'm waiting for your response. I'm waiting for your response. Make it fast. Done. A in 10 days, B in 15 days. In how many days they will together finish the work? So 10, 15. How simple the question is, right? And in our process, it is more simple. A in 10 days, B in 15 days together. In how many days? So what is LCM of 10 and 15? That is 30. So 30 by 10. Now I'm not writing all the here days, per day work or efficiency. I'm not writing. I'm just solving directly. So 30 by 15, 15 to so together they are finishing 5 laddus. So total 30 laddus they can finish in 6 days. So 6 is the answer. How many of you mentioned 6? How many of you got 6 at least? Only 3 people responded. It's okay. Hope remaining people also will respond for the next question. Fine. So the next one. A works twice as fast as B, who can complete a work in 12 days independently. Wait. A works twice as fast as B, who can complete a work in 12 days independently. So B can finish a work in 12 days and A can do twice as fast as B. See, if I am doing with the double speed, I can finish it in half of the time, right? Are you getting? Are you getting? See, just close your eyes. Just listen whatever I am saying. Close your eyes. Yeah. Now you have 4 laddus with you, and you will finish 4 laddus in 4 days. So per day you are eating one laddu. 4 laddus, 4 days per day, one laddu. Now you increased your speed. You started eating two laddus per day. So eating two laddus per day, total 4 laddus. In how many days you can finish? In 2 days itself, right? See, initially you took 4 days. Now you took only 2 days. Means when your efficiency is increased, you will take less half of the time. See, not increased. When your efficiency is increased, you will take less time. But when your efficiency is doubled, your number of days will be half. That is the logic we know. Yes or no? So with this logic, what I can say, wait, A can finish, I'll take next page. Okay. A can finish in, sorry, B can finish in 12 days. So A can finish in 6 days itself. Yes or no? When A is doing with the double speed, he can finish in 6 days itself. Now, what is the question they asked? They asked, how many days A and B together can complete the same work? A and B together can finish the work in how many days? Together is what? So tell me, what is LCM of 6 and 12? That is 12 only. So total 12 laddus are there. 1 second here. Yeah. Total 12 laddus are there. And A can finish 12 laddus in 6 days, means per day it can eat two laddus. And 12 laddus in 12 days means per day it can finish one laddu. I told you the same now. A is working double than B. Now together they are finishing three laddus per day, eating three laddus per day. 12 laddus can be finished in 4 days. So together they can finish in how many days? Together they can finish in option A, 4 days itself. And few people answered. I am very happy for that. Good. It's almost the similar one, so we can skip. And few questions I'll skip here. Okay. Yeah. Can you please try it on your own? Very interesting one. Take 1 minute and try to solve on your own. Make it fast. Guys, I know few of will do till the end, but at the end you will do some mistake. Try it. And I want everyone to put your answer in the chat box. I'm waiting for your response, guys. I'm waiting for your response. Over. Done. Shall we try? I'll just do one thing. I'll copy it and paste it. Hope you can see this. You can see the question. A, B can do a work in 12 days. So A, B together can finish in 12 days. B and C together can finish in 15 days. And C, A together can finish the work in 20 days. Now, if these three pairs works together, it means indirectly A is working twice, B is working twice, C is working twice. So together the three groups means indirectly 2 times of A plus 2 times of B plus 2 times of C work together. They can finish in, let me calculate this. What is LCM of 10, sorry, 12, 15, 20, that is 60. So imagine 60 laddus are there. So 60 laddus, A, B together can eat 5 laddus. See, 4 laddus, 3 laddus. So 4 plus 5 plus 3 is 12. 12, yes or no? Yes or no? 9 plus 3, 12. 60 laddus eating 12, 12, 12 per day, they can finish in 5 days itself. But now, if you observe, this answer is not 5. Answer for this question is not 5. The 5 indicates the number of days they are taking if A, B, C are working two times, but not one time. So if they are working two times, they can finish in 5 days. But they are working for single time. Then are you getting my point? So yes, just imagine ABC is a team, team X. Now 2x equal to 5. Then x equal to how much? Don't say 2.25, 2.5. Okay, here just imagine, I just want to tell you one concept, one beautiful concept. Okay, here normally most of the people do mistake here. See, if I ask you, if I ask you, 7 people can finish a work in 7 days, one person can finish the work in how many days? You will do cross multiplication and immediately will say 1 day. Are yaar, 7 people are working hard for 7 days to finish it, and how can one person can finish in 1 day? It should be more than 7 days, na? Yeah, you know what mistake you are doing? Generally, if you have 10 rupees, you will get 2 chocolates. If you have 20 rupees, then you will get 4 chocolates. There we are doing cross multiplication. When you have more money, you can get more chocolates. But here, work and I mean, efficiency and number of working days are inversely in proportion, unlike money and chocolates. Money and chocolate, the two are directly in proportion. If you have more money, you can buy more chocolates. If you have less money, you can buy less chocolates. They are directly in proportion. But here, if number of people are more, we can finish the work early. Yes or no? You just imagine, you alone can finish your record book in 5 days. If your friends helps in drawing diagrams or drawing graphs, you can finish it in 4 or 3 days itself, right? When more people are working, they can finish in less time. So that is very common sense, you should understand. Similarly, when we have seven number of people and we finish in 7 days, with one person, in how many days he can finish? You should not do cross multiplication, this is wrong. You should do direct multiplication. 7 into 7 equal to 1 into x, that is 49 days. So similarly, 2x people can finish a work in 5 days. Above question, 1x person can finish in how many days? So 5 twos are 10. So 10 will be the actual answer. Hope you got my point. I'm sure you got it. Right? Great. So let me see if there is any additional basic question. If yes, we will solve them. Otherwise, we can go with the previously asked questions. Yeah, from here we have to, yes, just read the problem once. Just read the problem once. I'll explain how to solve it. Don't try to solve. Just read the problem. Done. So A started the work and was joined by B 5 days before the completion of the work. A started the work and was joined by B 5 days before the completion of the work. If B alone can complete the work in 15 days, what is the share of B in the total wages of 2,400 rupees? See, this is a bit difficult one now. So for some time, I'll change the question. A started the work and was joined by B 5 days before the completion of work. That's it. But after that, if B alone can complete the work in 15 days, okay. If B alone can complete the work in 15 days, A alone can finish the work in how many days? Will it be possible? Okay, we will try. No, we cannot solve in that way. Shall we take one example, guys, just to explain the concept? I'm searching for this model. So just give me 1 minute. I'll check if there is any other model from this PPT. I'll just check. Just be online. Those who are watching after uploading the video, you can skip for 1 minute. Actually, previously this model was not asked. Yes, we have one model. I'm just searching for it here. Yeah, done. I got a question. Copy and here paste. Great. Just read the question once. Just read the question once. Just read the question once. I'll explain you how to solve it. Done. So A can do a work in 12 days. When he had worked for 3 days, B joined him. If they complete the work in 3 more days, in how many days can B alone finish the work? Okay, so here we don't know what is the work. That's the reason I'll go with the same procedure. by assuming that the total work is nothing but eating laddus. And how many laddus we can consider for this question? It is up to you. As I told you, you can consider one laddu, you can consider 100 laddus, you can consider any number of laddus. But why can't I consider 60 laddus? Because 12 fives are 60, and 60 is a multiple of 3 as well. 60 is a multiple of 6 as well. So why can't I go with 60? See, whatever the number you consider, you will get the same answer now. So imagine that there are total 60 laddus. A can do the work in 12 days. Okay, so A can eat 5 laddus per day. That's it. And B can finish the work in how many days? This is what we need to find out. But together, in how many days they finished it, that is also we don't know. So what is the question? What is the data we have? A can finish a work in 12 days. So per day he is eating 5 laddus. And what happened initially? When he had worked for 3 days, B joined. So for the first 3 days, he alone worked and he finished 15 laddus. Are you getting? First 3 days, A alone worked. So he finished 15 laddus. And out of total 60, 15 alone he finished. So remaining laddus are how many? 60 minus 50 are 45. So who has to finish these 45 laddus? A and B together. B joined, right? So they completed the work in 3 more days. So 45 laddus they finished in 3 days itself. So per day, how many laddus were finished? 15, 15, 15 laddus finished. Yes or no? Remaining 45 laddus they finished in 3 days itself. So per day they finished 15, 15 laddus here. Now use common sense. Per day 15, 15 laddus were finishing. Okay. A is eating 5 laddus. So B should eat how many laddus to make it 15? B has to finish 10, 10, 10 laddus per day, na? Yes or no? A is finishing 5 laddus, but together they are finishing 15 laddus. So how many laddus B should finish alone? 10 laddus. If B can finish 10 laddus per day, alone he can finish the total work in how many days? 6 days. The same diagram, if you use the diagram, you will get the answer. A alone can finish the total work in 6 days itself. So it is very simple. Hope you got it. Right? So shall we solve a few questions asked previously in the previous CSAT? We'll solve 3 4 questions and then we will wind up. See, probably every year we are getting 1 2 questions. So let us solve. A man completes 7 by 8 of a job in 21 days. How many more days will it take him to finish the job if this is actually quantity or quantum, both are same. If quantity of work is further increased by 50%. So how many more days will it take him to finish the job if quantity of work is further increased by 15 days? A man completes 7 by 8 of work in 21 days. So just let me copy this first. Yeah, let me paste it. Let me increase the size. Array always. Yeah. So a man completes 7 by 8 of work in 21 days. So from this, what we can understand, 7 by 7 by 8 of work in 21 days. That is okay. What days will it take him to finish the job? Okay, fine. So initially 7 by 8 laddus means total 8 laddus are there, but 7 laddus he finished in 21 days. Yes or no? Total work is 8 laddus. Out of 8 laddus, 7 laddus he finished in 21 days. So per one laddu, how many days he'll take? Per one laddu, he'll take 3 days. So 8 laddus he can finish in 24 days. This is actual answer. Okay. Actually, he'll take 24 days to finish all the laddus. Are you getting or not? 7 laddus he is taking 21 days, means each laddu he'll take 3 days. 3 days. So 8 laddus, 8 threes are 24 days. Actually, he has to take. But what is the question here? I'm sorry. So actually, uh, to finish 50% of the work, he'll take 12 days. Yes or no? So to finish 50% of work, how much time he'll take? 12 days. But what happening here? The remaining work after 21 days is only 1 by 8. Na? Are you getting? He'll take only 1 by 8. See, what is the question here? A man completes 7 by 8 of a job in 21 days. How many more days will it take to finish the job if quantity of work is further increased by 50%? Means 50%. Okay. Initially, what we consider, there are 8 laddus. 8 laddus. And now, wait. Further, it is increased by 50%. What is 50% of 8? 4 laddus. Yes or no? So each laddu, arey yaar, it's very simple. 7 by 8 laddus, 21 days. So 7 laddus, 21 days means per laddu, he'll take 3 days. Is it clear? Next, now work is increased by 50%, means 4 more laddus added. Oh shit, we need to eat 4 more laddus. Okay, for each laddu we will take 4 into 3 days, 12 days. We have to finish in 12 days, and already we have one laddu now. We finished only 7 laddus. So that 8th laddu, another laddu, 3 more days, total 15 days the work will be finished, which is in option D. Okay guys, I'll explain the same question again, but a small challenge for you people. Search this question in Google, search this question in YouTube. Okay, if you find better solution, simplest solution than this anywhere in internet or in, okay, in internet, okay, I'm challenging you, you will not get. This is the simplest. Okay, let me explain you the same question again by using our concept only. So read the question again. What is the question? 7 by 8 of the work was finished in 21 days. But furthermore, 50% of the quantity increased. So how many days it will take to finish the total work? Initially, we assumed 8 laddus are there. So 8 laddus, out of 8 laddus, he finished 7 laddus in 21 days. Yes or no? So each laddu, he is taking 3 days to finish. So 8 laddus, he'll take how many days? 24 days. See, 7 by 8 is finished means one more laddu remained. So one laddu he'll take 3 days. That is okay. But suddenly what happened? One person came and said, okay, just imagine the man is Sriram only. I am only the man. So another person came and said, Sriram, you have another work here. Okay, tell me what is the work? Now we have 50% more laddus. 50%. Initially we have 8 laddus. Now 50% means 50% of 8 is 4 laddus. Yeah, these 4 laddus also you have to eat. Man, till now I ate 7. Okay, 7 and 1 reminded with you. Now, initially we have 8, 7 finished. You left with 1 laddu. That is okay. Now I am giving you 4 more laddus. Oh, okay. Total how many laddus we have? Total I have 5 laddus. Yes or no? Okay, for some time you can finish this as well. For some time. Okay, initially we have 8, we finished 7, we left with 1, and now again 4 more laddus added. So 5 laddus, how many days? Are yaar, 1 laddu 3 days means 5 laddus will be 15 days. What is there in that? Very simple. So you cannot find simple solution than this in internet. This is my challenge for you. Okay, see, if you understand my concept of laddus, time and work will be cakewalk for you. And here the next one asked in 2008 prelims. Okay, shall we solve this? Yes. Carpenter A can make a chair in 6 hours, carpenter B in 7 hours, and carpenter C in 8 hours. If each carpenter works for 8 hours per day, how many chairs will be made in 21 days? This is the question we have. Very simple one, very simple one. If you solve in my method, it will be very simple. Shall I show you how to solve it? A, B, C, 3 carpenters are there. Number of here instead of number of days, I'll write number of hours. What is there in that? Both are time only, na? Yes. A can finish in 6 hours, B can finish in 7 hours, C can finish in 8 hours. Yes or no? Now, 21 days. Here you can solve this question in two different ways. Okay, let me explain you one simple way. 21 days, 8 hours per day means everybody is working for 21 into 8, 168 hours. So in 6 hours, one chair means in 168 hours, how many chairs he can make? 28 chairs he can make. A can make 28 chairs and B can make 168 by 7. How many chairs B can make? 24 chairs B can make. C can make how many chairs? 168 by 8. 21 chairs C can make. So together how many chairs they are making? 28 plus 24 plus 21 will be 373. Can you find 73 in option C? That much simple the question is. Are you getting? So this is very simple na? Done. So shall we solve another question which was asked in 2016? Yes, we'll solve a question asked in 2016. Okay, 50 men or 80 women can finish a job in 60 days. A contractor deployed 30 men and 48 women for this work. The work is completed in how many days? Can you find what is the first line? 50 men or 80 women can finish a job in 60 days means the efficiencies were compared here. The efficiencies were compared. So 60 men, whatever the work 80 women can do, the same work 50 men can finish. Okay. Okay, in the same time 60 days. So I'll do one thing. What is the LCM of 50 and 80? 400. So I'll imagine 400 laddus are there. 50 men can eat 8 laddus per day. So 50 men can complete 8 laddus per day. And wait here, my bad, a small mistake. Okay, the same I did a small mistake. Now imagine there are left side I am writing 400 laddus. 400 laddus 50 men can complete. So one man can complete 400 by 50, how much? 8 laddus. Okay, it is not per day, it is per 60 days. Similarly, the same 400 laddus 80 women can finish. So each woman can finish 5 laddus, not in one day but in 60 days. That is okay, 60 we'll take it later. Now a contractor deployed 30 men and 48 women. So each employee, each man can finish 8 laddus. So 30 men can finish how many laddus into 30 laddus? Yes or no? Into not 30, 30 laddus, 30 men, 240 laddus, 240 laddus. And women 5 laddus they can finish, but there are 48 women. So if 48 women are there eating 5 laddus per day, they can also finish 240 laddus. 240 laddus. Now 30 men and 48 women can finish 480 laddus in how many days? In 60 days. Yes or no? So just look at the diagram again. Imagine there are 400 laddus. You can ask me, Sriram, how do you know there are 400 laddus only? Who knows? I just considered 400 because 400 is LCM of 80 and 50. That's it. To make calculations simple, I considered 400 laddus. If you want, you can consider 4 laddus only. Who bother? Right? If 400 laddus are there, 50 men can finish 888 laddus in 60 days? Yes or no? Similarly, women, 555 laddus, one woman can finish 555 laddus in 60 days. Okay, so here the contractor deployed how many people? 30 men and 48 women. So 30 men, they can finish 240 laddus. 48 women, they can finish 240 laddus. So together, men and women, they finished 480 laddus, but in how many days? Not in one day, but in 60 days. Yes or no? So what is the question? The same work, what is the work? 400 laddus, how many days they can finish? Do you remember? We should not calculate, we should not do cross multiplications, we should do direct multiplication. Do you remember that? So on top I am solving 480 into 60 is equal to 400 into x. X will be the answer, obviously, right? So can anybody solve this? 0 0 gets cancelled. Hey, wait, I'll cancel this 0. 40 and 48, 8 5s 8 6. Okay, now 36 by 5. Did I do any mistake? There was some mistake. Yeah, this is not 6, this is 60. So this is 360 by 5. So what is 360 by 5? Done. 72 days. Did I do any mistake? Did I do any calculation mistake? Can you please check? 480 laddus, 240 plus 240 will be 480 only. 480 laddus in 60 days means 400 laddus. Hey, why we are doing direct multiplication? Yeah, my bad. These are not number of people and working days. These are number of laddus only, na. So it's completely my bad, my mistake. So in exams, sometimes we confused, right? So sorry. So 480 laddus 60 days means 400 laddus. You have to do cross multiplication only, because when number of laddus are less, we will take less number of time only, na, less number of days only, na. So my bad. I'm so sorry. 400 into 60 is equal to 480 into answer. Say x. So obviously x will be the answer. 0 0 gets cancelled. 8 5 8 6. So again 6 6 gets cancelled. 10 into 5 is 50. 50 days will be the answer, which is in option B. That's it. Option B will be the answer. It's very simple. I did a small mistake at the end, but it's okay. We can take it easy. Hope it's clear. So shall we solve a question which was asked in 2020? So we'll solve one question asked in 2020. So not this one, 2016, we just finished it. 2021, yes, copied and going to paste it now. A person X can complete 20% of work in 8 days, and another person Y can complete 25% of the same work in 6 days. If they work together, in how many days will they work? They will 40% of the work can be finished. Guys, take 1 minute and tell me your answer. This is very, very, very simple one. I need not explain this actually. Try it, make it fast. Done. Okay, let me explain you. A person X can complete 20% of work in 8 days. 20% of work in 8 days means 100% of work how much time? 5 is only na, so 40 days. So indirectly X can finish a work in 40 days. Y can finish 25%, means one fourth 6 days. So generally I'll consider like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 portions, this is one fourth, 6. So 6, 6, 6, 24 days. X can finish a work in 40 days. Y can finish the same work in 24 days. Then together, in how many days they can finish the work? So tell me, what is LCM of 24 and 40? 24 and 40 will be 120, because yes, 120. So 120 laddus are there. X can finish in 40 days. So per day it can finish 333 laddus. Similarly, 120 by 24 is 5. So 5 laddus Y can finish. So together they can finish 888 laddus. Eating 888 laddus and total laddus 120, they can finish in 15 days. So this is not the answer actually. 100% of the work at the top I am writing, 100% of the work they can finish in 15 days. So here the question is, only 40% of the work will be finished in how many days? So 15 into 40 by 100 gives you answer. 5 twos, 5 threes, 2 twos, 2 threes are 6. Option A, 6 days is the answer. Are you getting? Great. So these are the basic questions we can expect from time and work. And guys, if there is any other model, okay, you just take me to my concern, we will explain in another session. Okay, and if you want the material, you can get it from RamSai IAS Telegram channel. And here you can find what are the different programs RamSai is offering to civil aspirants. Okay, hope you got everything. And in tomorrow we will see another model, we will see another topic. Till then, bye bye.